battery exhausted. Okay.
I'm in love with the cocoa. I'm in love with the cocoa. I'm in love with the cocoa.
Hi everyone, my name is Joy. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I realized that I never actually really introduced myself. I go straight into, subscribe. I go straight into hit the notification bell, and I go straight into my video, but I never really actually introduced myself, and I want to engage more with my audience, with my subscribers, with my YouTube friends. So yeah, my name is Joy. If you're new to this channel, I hope that you like it, and I hope that you remain and you stay and you watch more videos. Today's video is I want to say it's like my natural type of look. I wouldn't say it's my everyday look because this is not typically how I would do my makeup every day, but this is the look I would do if I'm just trying to go for a very bare, minimal, natural, neutral, not too much makeup look, which you're probably gonna think it's a lot of makeup anyway. But I get some requests to do like a natural face, a natural look, and this was kind of not difficult for me, but it was kind of like hard for me to kind of pull back because I love makeup, as you probably already know. I love makeup, and I'm the type of person, either I'm wearing a full face or I'm not wearing any makeup at all. I don't know this in-between life, I don't know what that life is about. So I would consider this look like an in-between look, using like drugstore or affordable products. So that's what I'm bringing you today. So if you're interested to see how I got this look, stay tuned.
For better living, are you feeling good tonight? This thing got me thinking of life.
Concealer brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to blend everything out. As you saw, I put the skin tone concealer on my eyebrows, above my eyebrows, and then I put the lighter one on my eyelids to blend it out. I typically like to use the contour palette like this, you guys, from Black Radiance, because it has 3 different shades. Now I have 2 different versions of this. I have the light to medium, and then I have the dark to deep. Okay, when I'm doing my natural makeup, I typically like to use just like one palette so I can use it for multiple reasons. So I'm going to set my eyelids now. So I'm going to use some of this on my eyes, just a little bit. You see how it just gives me just a light coloring on my eyelids. It's nothing major, it's nothing extreme. I think this is very day appropriate, it's very work appropriate. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Mega Liner, another drugstore product, and I'm not going to do a wing, you guys. I'm just going to do a light line above my eyes. Ready?
Are you feeling good tonight? This thing got me thinking of life.
Now I'm going to use an oldie but goodie, which is the Maybelline Great Lash, you guys. And I used to use this back in the day when I was younger, when I was a teenager. So this is like taking me back. If you know anything about me, I don't typically wear lashes. So this would be perfectly fine for me. Wiggle the wand against your eyelashes. The next thing I'm going to do is use my Rimmel Stay Matte primer to prime my face, you guys. My skin is oily, so I like to use a matte primer.
I can't explain it all I can't explain it all
The Skin Tone LA Pro Concealer, and this is in Beautiful Bronze, and I'm going to use this to kind of, you know, color correct some of the dark spots on my face. I have some hyperpigmentation, so I want to make sure that I, you know, don't have those peeking me out. And so you would just have to study your face and figure out where do you have dark marks peeking out and how would you like to hide them. I'll take my Real Techniques brush and just blend that out. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Black Radiance True Complexion BB Cream, and it has SPF 15 in it, you guys. And what is this color? The color is chocolate. Techniques brush, and I'm going to blend this out. And what you want to do is pat, you guys. You don't want to blend your foundation. You want to pat, 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 pat. Going back into my LA Girl in the color Toffee. Just going to use a little bit of this, you guys. Just a little bit. Okay, a little bit to highlight. Just a little. Use my dirty beauty blender. My dirty beauty blender. I got to wash my brushes today, you guys. Don't judge me. You see how it just gives a lift to your eye? Going back into my True Complexion Contour palette in Dark to Deep, you guys, I'm going to use my NYX brush. I'm going to use this color first, the middle color, to do like a slight contour. Using the same color to slightly contour my nose. So I use these two colors to kind of set the rest of my face. Again, this is why I said that this is like a multi-use palette. That's why I always recommend this type of palette for anybody that's just new getting into makeup, but you don't want to spend a lot of money, but you still want to look nice and put together. Okay, so this is the NYX Lingerie in Exotic. I'm just going to use a little bit to use for my blush. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Okay. And you want to put it on the highest points of your cheeks. So I'm almost done here, you guys. I'm going to use my, my NYX. I'm going to use my NYX Lip Liner in the color Brown. Then I'm going to use the NYX Butter Gloss in Prailine, you guys. And my sister got me this, so I'm going to use this. It gives you a nice brown girl nude look. Let's see how the skin's looking.
You know they only call me when they need me. I never go anywhere, they never see me. I'm the type of take it easy.
I'm gonna finish this look off, you guys, by spraying my face. Just with this rose water hydrating face mist, you guys. It's not really meant to like make your makeup last all day, but it's, you know, just so all of your makeup can kind of melt into your skin.